One of the types of charts that you can actually add in inside of Google Data Studio is a Geo Chart. So to do that, you need to click on add a chart right here. And here you can see Geo Chart is an option. So once you click on this, you can go around and add in the Geo Chart. But you're not seeing any information right now because the data that I have right here does not have relevant country information. So to change out the data source, I'm going to go around over here. And then I'm just going to go around on to sample, let's say, for example, a sample analytics right here. So sample Google Analytics. So let me just go around and add that into the report right here. So once I do that, what happens is that there's a country as a data right there. And now you can see this. So here you can see the country data right here. So there's the country right here. And the metric is based on the new users, as you can see right here. So now you can see that all of the country and the data is here. So if I were to go around and click around over here, you can see that on the right hand side there's different things over here as well that you can use as a metric over here as well. So there's different things. There's like source right here, there's like social action, so there's users right here, user category and so forth, user type. And let me just go around over here, and then I'm going to go around, add the new user with variant, and let's see what happens. So it does not really show any data right there. But if I were to go to user type right here, let me just go around right here, and then you can see that it actually changes out the map accordingly. So where the high value is red and low value is 1, as you can see right there. So over here, you can see that there's different things over here as well. There's like reason, there's like product category and so forth. So you can use different things as metric according to what you like. So over here in the chart as well, there's different things like there's the date range, as you can see right here. The zoom area is the world. You can also go around and zoom it to a particular a continent right here, as you can see. Like you can go around, focus on to the Australia continent only, or you can go around and just focus on the Caribbean area only and so forth over here as well. And of course you can go around and change around the style. So let's say for example, you can change around the color, and you can change around the font that it displays out the text with as well. So that is how you can work around and insert out Geo Chart inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.